Bagsak presyo na original shoes sa Malolos, perfect gift for this Valentine's season. Nabisita nyo na? Tara! Yung mga kanusal nyo ba ang nalaman ko? Kami napadpad sa harap ng Walter Mart Malolos para bumili ng bagong sapatos sa Kicks for Everyone. All shoes here are below SRP, up to 70% off at original, and most are under New Balance brand. At dagdag pa dyan, sila ang nagsusupply din sa ibang stores sa Bulacan. Actually, as low as 1,400 pesos sa sapatos na branded at original, may mabibili ka na. Pero for other designs, for New Balance, running shoes, lifestyle shoes, and basketball shoes, marami kang pagpipilian. Katulad nitong Rebel V4 and V5 from 10,800 to 6,599 na lang. Made in US sa 998 at 990 na 19,000 to 5,995. Grabe ang mura. 530 na as low as 4,595. 327 na as low as 4,500. 2-hour protection pack na as low as 4,500. 550 na 8,800 to 2,600 pesos na lang at iba't iba pang designs na pasok sa taste mo. For Adidas, merong Evo SL na 7,995 lang. Anthony Edwards sa 4,500. For Nike, may Vomero for male and female na as low as 4,995 pesos lang na pang mag-jowa na perfect gift ngayong Valentine's dahil partner kayo. Face 6,000 na 3,500 lang. Speedcut from Puma. Maraming basketball shoes like Sabrina 2, Book 1, Precision 7, and meron na din silang branded and original watches complete with manual warranty and box. Price starts at 2,100 below SRP up to 50 to 60% off. They are open for delivery and may installment din via video credit card. O diba? Open sila from 10 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. every day. Ano pa hinintay nyo? Tara na dito sa Kicks for Everyone sa Malolos, Bulacan. Let's go!